up and good evening, guys. Welcome back to another video. We've got @CBailey619 behind us over there. I don't know if you can see him. We've got a bunch of toys here for some Toys for Tots. We're going to meet up with our good buddy Wes right now, somewhere on the side of the freeway. And then we are heading over to SoCal Suspensions. They're having like a Toys for Tots Christmas gathering. I don't really know. I just found out about it like, I don't know, 3 hours ago. So we're gonna see what we get into. But they got a bunch of pre-runners and they're all about like that lifestyle, which is super cool to me. I wish I had enough money to build some like ultra luxury pre-runner. So let's go see what they got. Chris has jumped in front of us, rocking his new speed pole flag and his American flag. See if we can get on side of him here. Go West, go West. There we go. We got West in front of us getting on the freeway. As you can probably hear. Well, we have arrived at SoCal Suspension. A lot of trucks and people here. We're definitely in the minority of not having pre-runners. Nor do any of us fit in this really tight parking lot. Oh, we got some competition for Chris right here. Got another GMC, looks like he's got some gold accents. This is really what Chris needs to do to his truck, turn it into a pre-runner. I think that'd be sick.
That's my boy Matt. He's the one, he's the one that just got back from deployment. I told you he wanted to get work for it. What happened?
Well, Wes has free reign to go in and grab whatever he wants, so he told you.
I even told him.
If he told you something, I don't know. Wes is there every night.
I knew it.
He's like an unofficial employee. He's always hanging out there.
Nah, Wes tries to school everybody he knows, even me.
Yeah, right.
That's a fact.
Well, I've known you since what, day one, pretty much?
Damn.
I've known that.
Has the forehead always been that big?
Oh, yeah. If anything, it's gotten bigger.
Oh, well, we know that. That's all the fame going up to his forehead.
Right,
Yeah, it
get in
is.
the truck.
Well, boys, I don't know if we're welcome here in the.
I don't know. We got some
in the
dirty looks
pre-runner
going in.
Yeah, right. Well, we're the pro mall crawlers. You gotta go find the biggest guy and take him
Well,
out.
no, it's not that. I mean, I spent money at this shop, so like they do everything. It's SoCal Suspension, not SoCal Prerunner Suspension.
That's
so
true.
They should accept us with open arms.
Right? Grab all the toys. Wes, man, we're at a show. You gotta wash your stuff, man.
Well,
or you're trying to blend in with the pre-runner. This truck's sick. This is what I want right here.
Somebody's birthday.
I want a cat-eye pre-runner. Crew cab though. I think that'd be dope. These trucks look so good as pre-runners.
I want one of those. Can we get one for the channel?
You want to get a Can-Am for the channel? Yeah, Can-Am, sponsor us.
It's so packed.
What are they jumping?
We were going to set up the ramps. We have mobile ramps. And set them up this way. We were going to jump into the street, but I don't know. There's a ton of people here, so
We got enough trucks and
I don't
lights
know.
to block the street.
Yeah, we'll have to see.
Wes will jump his truck.
Yeah.
You
Got
guys
the coilovers for it.
You guys can fix it.
Yeah, jump it, then we'll pull it in and fix it.
Shop's ready to pull it right around.
That's your best shot you're ever gonna have. Now we're getting into my wheelhouse here. Diesel pre-runner. I don't know why they put a 1500 front clip on it, but
Why not?
why not? This thing's sick. Damn. That suspension setup's crazy. What are those called? It's like offset arms? I don't even know.
I don't even know what those are. Those are insane, though. Those are awesome.
That's like super low travel.
When you gotta clear a lot, that's what you do.
Right? Super clean. This thing is sick. Listen, everything's all bagged. Love it. Just enough new school. That's what we need right there, dude. We need a couple trophy carts for the warehouse.
Yeah.
What's gonna fit in this thing?
We'll squeeze Wes in there. Dude, Wes, don't let him make fun of you.
We're like 5-10 pound weight difference. Look at the foot.
Yeah, we gotta stiffen the suspension a little bit for Wes.
That's what you're supposed to do. Your hips ain't lying right now. They ain't getting in that.
All right, maybe not.
So we just walked up on this Ranger. This thing is absolutely beautiful. This is like the level of detail we put into our show trucks, but in a truck that's actually meant to off-road. I mean, literally everything that they could touch, they have touched. And really one of the best things about this truck is just the beautiful interior. Everything is just leather wrapped, all soft touch materials. This is how I would want to build an off-road truck if I were to ever own one. Like, I want it to feel like it's a nice factory truck, but still have the crazy chaotic power and suspension. Just look, this thing is absolutely beautiful. I mean, even the rear, we got Just so clean with the trunk setup, spare tire, the batteries in there, easy to access everything. Still lifts up with the heavy tires on it. Every little detail. The glass works beautiful, the paint works beautiful, the powder coat. So I believe this is RJ Fab on Instagram if you guys want to check out what he does. This guy does this for a living, and clearly it shows. Just beautiful. Wes, don't touch.
I'm not touching it.
I know, you're good, bro. Hands in your pocket. Yeah, right. That's a first, dude. That's what I wanted. Look at that. Ooh, that's good food right there. What's on that, dude?
I don't know. I just said let me get one of them bacon wrapped hot dogs, but I think he lied to me.
Uh-oh. Oh, what happened now? Did he overcharge you?
No, I asked him if it was an all beef hot dog. It doesn't taste like all beef.
No?
No.
Yeah, Wes is real weird about that. Don't take him to hot dog on a stick and get him a corn dog that's turkey.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Get the full spread, dude.
Yeah, you know. Supporting our
SoCal
fellow taqueria man.
So your taqueria? Chris, when are we doing to this to your truck, dude? This is what you need to do right here. You've got the same truck. You done anything to the rear?
No, not yet. That's next step.
Gotcha. Take notes, Chris. We'll get you some fenders. What was your name?
My name's TJ.
TJ. You kind of look like TJ Hunt. You ever get that?
No, I haven't gotten that.
You haven't gotten that?
No.
I've only seen him once in person, so I don't know. So TJ has the diesel pre-runner that we saw pull in. You said it's a 03?
Yeah, it's a LB7. Right now, it's only got a 62 millimeter turbo on it, 5-inch exhaust.
So mind you, everything you're seeing right now, he's going to be doing some changes to it coming soon. So let's just preempt it before we go into the full explanation. But what, obviously your engine's been rebuilt, right?
Yeah.
So how long ago was it rebuilt?
It was rebuilt about 2 years ago. I put 100 over injectors, basically just went through it, made sure everything was good. Went through Chris at TE Designs. He hooked me up with a cage.
Can we open her up? Show
Go
the.
for it.
So we're fully caged, which is always fun on how they weld these things.
It's gonna be purple powder coat. That's why the purple dash. That's gonna change.
But then we changed our mind. Gotcha. Nice. Nice. I like the buckets in the rear. All PRP seats.
All PRP seats. The center console's dirt scum. And then the front kit, it's all a custom kit. It's all made by Dirty B Fab Works out in Arizona. It's a Fiberworks tilt hood. Spares go here. It goes up and down.
Gotcha.
With the struts. It's got a 70-gallon fuel cell. And then right now those shocks are just the mock-ups, but I got 3.5 by 18 coilovers and 4.5 by 27 tube bypasses going in it.
Nice. What are we running? Are those 39s?
Yeah, they're 39s. I got 40s in the garage. Those are, I want to call it my transport tires because they're bald.
Gotcha. I don't know. Are these DOT approved?
No.
Are these projects?
Yeah.
Gotcha. No, this thing's rad, dude. I would love to own a diesel pre-runner one day. I like the gold too, man. The gold accents always look good on these trucks.
Thank you.
So what do you do for a living, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm a petroleum welder.
Oh, nice. There you go.
Been doing it for about 8 years.
So you got a full new light bar coming for it? Gotcha.
I got 8 Hellas going on it.
Nice.
So
it's crazy how like that trend died and now everybody's going back to like the old school trend of, I like that look.
I personally love that look.
Well, I like it more like that, where they're the smaller ones that they got on the Ranger over there. Yeah, that's always been, can Chris jump it?
If he wants to.
Chris, if you want to, you can jump it.
Wrong keys.
Oh, a smart move. I wouldn't give him the right ones either.
There you go. He said he didn't know my tires still got so long.
It's these mole crawlers, dude. I don't know what to tell you.
Next time, just total it so I can get a new truck. Don't just bend my axle.
It turns like my truck.
Now I'm worried. I feel my wheel's gonna fall off on the way home.
What did I just say? What did I just say?
How hard he hit it? My head was in the wheel well.
That's all I'm gonna hear on the way home is, hey, do you feel that? Stick your head out the window. Do you see a wobble? Something feels weird.
Story of my life.
Yep.
I think his tire hit this and just fucking bumped it. But
Hey, you're lucky you didn't hit the wheel.
No.
nah, yeah.
Is that scratch?
I got you. Oh,
Is that a scratch?
I know a
Right
guy.
there.
I know a guy.
If I hurt her,
You come find me.
I don't know.
This was his business.
I don't know.
This
You got
is
a
my shop
Ford.
right here.
You got a Ford. I can't
I'm a
keep
Chevy
up.
guy.
I can't keep up with
I'm a
that.
Chevy guy.
I can't keep up with that.
I promise I'm a Chevy
This is
guy.
your shop?
This is my shop right here.
The BMW shop?
Let's don't get run over by another Ford.
It's not gonna get
One Ford hits the truck, the other Ford hits you.
I'm gonna get him a little sign made up that just hangs right here. Watch it. It sticks out far.
Nah, it looks like you just bumped the tire. I mean, my head was in the wheel well. I could have got killed or something, but shit.
Damn, is that what happened to your forehead?
Oh.
I'll tell you what.
Is there any scratches on the forehead?
Scuffed my forehead.
You seem like a nice guy. I'm glad you didn't die.
I am a nice guy, dude.
Yeah, he's got his moments.
Everybody does, you know. Some people hit tires in parked cars, and some people.
So we're trying to shut Wes up right now. You know, he's talking too much to her boyfriend.
Driven SD.
So-
all the BMW stuff.
She's just gonna give him a card and say, "Shut up, Wes. Call us tomorrow. Here's our card."
I got you guys. Babe, I got you. I got you. Give this to your friend.
Hold on. Let me see.
oh.
I got something here too.
Oh.
Damn,
Oh,
you're
he
way
beat me.
behind.
Dang.
You might need your glasses checked. 'cause
Well,
you
this joke
see
didn't
that.
work. I will say, I've seen Wes go off on somebody to try to charge him $2 more at Chick-fil-A, and the fact that like we're all friends now, even though you hit his truck, like that's impressive. It's that one beer Wes had.
He
is
knows.
like-
He knows
that they stick out further than they should stick out.
sympathy. That lady didn't want to understand what she did wrong. She didn't want to, own up
He
to
knows.
it.
The Chick-fil-A lady.
This guy showed some sympathy, and
He knows that this is not okay.
And
No,
then,
the real
That's
no,
okay.
the
It's
real
just you
reason
gotta
is
look.
he's a Ford driver, so I already knew from the beginning I was.
Dude, you're supposed to heat the s'more up first. I mean, I know we got
They're cooking on pressure treated wood, and I won't get all that turpentine and all that.
Oh, it's good for you, man. Everything else causes cancer in California.
I'm
Oh,
not doing it. I don't like marshmallows that much.
let's see it. How many marshmallows you get in your mouth?
I don't like marshmallows that much.
20?
Maybe the miniature ones.
How many can you get in your mouth, Chris?
All of them.
This is an awkward thing we're doing.
Zero.
A guacamole.
There's not even 20 in there.
Yeah, there is.
Do I have to eat them?
No.
I think you said
$5 a mallow?
I said 5 a mallow. 20 for 20. 25 calories a piece.
Oh, you need it, man. You're looking a little thin. Imagine how impressed Lacey's gonna be.
No, she wouldn't.
Oh yeah, dude. Yeah. Lacey's gonna be impressed if you can fill your mouth full of
Well, I
marshmallows.
already ate 3 boxes of graham crackers.
No, you didn't.
And 4 chocolate bars.
All right, now prove it.
Now you need the marshmallows to go with it.
Yeah, let's see it. Let's see. What do we got? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got that. Squish them. They squish.
That's less than your fizz. Didn't you fit your fizz in your mouth once?
No.
I remember that story. You don't know till you try. 18, 20, right there. All right, let's see. 20
All
marshmallows.
at once?
How are you supposed to do it?
Yeah, one at a
What if I
time.
choke on it?
Does anybody know the Heimlich? Anybody know the Heimlich?
Do I have to? I can spit them out?
Yeah, let's see what the Navy taught you.
That's big.
Oh, that one's gotta go. That one's gotta
That's big.
What are you at? 3? 2?
That's too big, dude.
Come on.
I don't want to
I
do
thought
it.
you'd at least get more than 2.
I don't want to do it.
Damn.
I don't want to do it.
All right, I give you credit for going. What are you choking on? You didn't do nothing.
It's not possible, man.
Uh-oh. I think it's possible. We gotta go see.
They're not gonna
Let's
believe
go.
you again.
I think we're wrapping up here for the night. We're gonna go see if Wes's truck's broken from when they hit it with the Ford earlier.
And they definitely hightailed on out of here, man.
Yeah, you notice they're gone? They were the first ones to leave. I heard we had some lights coming on. Wes was apparently idling too long on the side of the freeway.
Nah, I think because I threw it into neutral and I'm sitting on the side of the road with the parking brake on.
Bro, it looks like
And
one
I
of your
think-
brake clamps are a little scooted out of the way. You kind of see it on your axle.
I think all the cars that kept going by was tricking my sensors off.
You're saying that don't make no sense.
I was on the side of the road and
Why
the
are
cars were like flying by.
How's that tricking your sensors? What sensors?
Because the rear bumper sensors, they were getting so close they were like triggering, and then it finally.
Serviceability track.
Brake, though.
Oh,
How is it?
that's your ABS wires.
Trailer brake.
It looks like you're running the same issue I was running into. Oh, we're going to start working right. Well, you might as well turn your rock lights back on so we can see what we're working on.
I got a flashlight. I don't need it.
Oh, we got a flashlight. Wes is real proud of this flashlight. Uh-oh. All right, we got a lot of fabricators here, so if we need to build anything right now, we're good. Uh-oh, what are we checking?
I'm just gonna reset the battery real quick.
Okay, he's got that ready.
I always keep a 10 mil because
You can keep your 10 mils. We all lose our 10 millimeters.
that's because you don't put them in your center console.
Chris, does he know what he's doing?
Maybe.
Maybe. All right, let's see this shoddy work over here on the ABS wires.
Now the other side looked like it might have got pulled.
Uh-oh, it might be the other side. All right, did that happen when the Ford hit you?
I think so, dude. Look at this.
Oh yeah, this side looks a little, I don't know. Damn, they're not even heat shrunk?
No, man.
This is...
Pulled forward for after he hit it.
Oh, he caught on this side?
Yeah, he hit it.
Okay.
He hit it here.
I thought he caught you on this side trying to back in.
Coming in hot.
You get scared, Chris?
Huh?
Just get scared. He's coming right at you, buddy. Chris, I want a truck like a 3-wheel. That looks sick. So I guess the light came off now, but
Get that Ford back out
Wes,
here. He'll run by you
don't.
again.
Oh, I can't see. Oh, dude, your wheel's wobbling. Don't hit my truck. It ain't wobbling. You ain't feeling it. All right, what's the real word is wheels wobbling now. Let's see. Hold on, I gotta get behind him. Let's see. Let me get straight in line. We'll put. Wes, I can't see crap, dude. The parking lot's all jacked up.
Like a bump or two, and that was it.
Yeah, the parking lot's very uneven. Either way, you know where the guy that hits you works. All right, well, we rolled out of that event. Me and Chris have made it over to Cali Comfort, one of our barbecue spots. Looks like we got quite a few trucks going on over here. This one's real old school. Well, my lights just went off, but take my word for it. So I don't know how long today's video was. It was real short, but we wanted to go hang out again, donate to Toys for Tots anytime that we can. And it's cool to see pre-runners because, as you guys know, I'm really dying to one day own like a super sick pre-runner. But with that, guys, we're gonna wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn.